It is noticeable, it's not invisible. Next guy, break on blue. Now we go. Good job.
It's fine.
Yes, it is. I said good job.
Yes.
Soul binding coming. E Draco era.
Break inside soon. Okay.
Break our eyes.
I can do it.
Good job. There's one more though. One more guy needs to break because the second one got affected later. With an heavy again. Stay spread, my team. Stay spread.
Got it.
Kill them, then we can stack up.
Bone Warden, man.
Okay, my team, we can stack up. Give me your thingy, please. Tag it.
Break blue.
It's fine.
Spread my team. Slightly. Wait, why did I? No, it's okay, it's okay. I don't think we should. Yeah, you can still stay stacked up, my team.
Bone one's in now, bone one's in now.
Okay, spread it, spread. My bad, sorry about that.
Wasn't
Okay, let's kill them. Be ready for the soul residues, people outside. Let's go.
Break inside.
Two
Break
of them are
inside.
not stuck. Two of them are not stuck. Kill it, please.
Spell residues outside.
Kill these two that are not stacked up and be ready to kill them, guys, outside. There's one more coming after.
I can't grip that one that's over there. It's on Dina. She's a melee.
Watch it. Watch it. Oh. Where at? Who actually interrupts that? Stop doing that. Watch it, Tab, man.
Yeah, there's
Come,
one
guys.
down.
Come closer to boss for my link and shit.
Stay in range, please.
This is your CD icon when we start taking damage.
Break.
Watch out, don't get hit by the green. Break on blue, break on blue. Good job.
Push it through to the face.
Again, it's close. Is it okay, Matix?
Bone Warden's short. Just the one.
Spread out team, my team spread.
careful our melee group.
It's on him.
Take care of the bone. Break our bone warden in a couple of seconds. Next guy. Next guy, break one.
Twice.
Oh, okay. Okay, hope it's good because we're gonna
Just
get
stun it, just stun it.
AoE. Okay, let's take care of these ones.
Gonna be bad. Okay.
Are you okay, Dina?
Means position him.
Thought you said something about that.
So residues.
Kill the soul residues. Don't kite it to that side, Jared, man. You're gonna get shit.
Residues put
Dina,
behind
come.
the boss.
Very out. Focus, focus.
So residues. Just
Come on, kill the soul residues outside ramp, please.
They've only just
Let's not
spawned,
fuck it
so
up.
kill them
You
all.
made it sound like they're alive.
Careful with the
Soul
cry.
binds
Yeah.
incoming.
Yeah.
Mary Draco.
Don't put the cries any further in than that. Right. And you got any priestesses. You're gonna get overwrapped in this as well.
Stay safe. So far it's okay. Okay, my team stuck close to boss until bone ward comes. Using my healing tide. I got my healing tide. I don't have defensive. Can I get external error?
Very limited for space on blue.
Okay,
Break,
okay.
break on blue.
Break on blue, next guy. Next guy, break on blue.
Good, Joe.
Heal me, heal me, heal me.
It's fine.
Yeah,
Tiger CD.
push these bone wardens through.
Still have Jess.
Kill the bone wardens, my group, fast. Before you transition the boss. Fast, bone warden. Spread, Tiger. Bone wardens quickly. Break them, next guy.
Max
Tiger, break
range.
them. Okay, soak up that group.
GS
Make sure
loading.
GS loaded.
GS loading.
Take it, Matix.
BR loaded, please.
He's in your side.
Yeah, I know. We can't do much. No, Matix, BR him fast. It's okay, BR Matix. Keep
Hero?
going, keep going.
Try to spell.
Yeah, here.
Load the
So-
Karen, come on guys, fast.
Soak. Okay, Matix.
My team stuck up, soak up in the one. Okay, outside the realm in a moment, be ready. Just focus, guys. Stamp Shiho, break it, ace. Come on, guys. No waiting around. Stamp, watch your HP, man. Use the thingy to slide. Good. Dina, careful, man. You have your cloak, right, Dina, if needed?
Yes, she does.
My team soak. Okay, finish those soul queens and whatnot. Dina, Draco, Avia Draco. Okay, outside realm, make sure your HP is good. Make sure your HP is good. Kawa? What, man? What? Okay, keep going, keep going.
Finish off
Soul
her
mine,
health.
soul mine, soul mine.
Mary Naviga. Okay, outside realm, use a defensive for the next soul, please. Like turtles or a health potion if you're not full HP. Make sure all of you are soaking. All of you use a defensive. Good. Come on, my realm now. Stamp, please, don't die, man. Do whatever you can do.
Almost here next.
Sure. Okay, that's the last one you guys will soak. Use whatever you have remaining. Any defensive or raid cooldown on that outside realm. Everything you got left. Good. Now one more from our side.
This is it.
That one's dead.
Yes!
Fuck.
Oh
Yes.
my god, there we go.
Oh,
No!
sake. Easy, bro.
Nice one, lady.